Alright guys, today we're gonna be doing a review on this a low pressure spray gun. It's from the Harbor Freight. It's a really cheap spray gun that I'm gonna be using it for primer on my Eclipse because it's almost time. I just finished it washing and I'm gonna be spraying a sandable primer, and then I'm gonna sand it. So yeah, I need a gun, so I decided I'm gonna use just a regular cheap $14 gun, which you can get for $10 with the coupon. So yeah, for a primer, if you're gonna scuff the primer, you do not have to have a badass gun. You can use something like this. So yeah, it don't matter. So yeah, let's get into it, and I'm gonna show you guys what else I got for it, because gun as a gun, you can't just use just a gun because it needs other stuff. So it comes with a cup, right? 20 ounce, just a regular cup. Comes with this brush that I use these guns, but I never use this. Instructions, I mean, who reads instructions nowadays anyway? So it does come with the gun. But the problem with this is it doesn't come with the tool that lets you remove, disassemble and clean really good the gun. So yeah, that's the only problem. So yeah, so here it is. Comes with this filter, which I don't use. I don't ever use. This line, I mean, this central pneumatics or whatever it is, you can buy a $20 one which will look same, and then $30 one that looks same, and more, and they all look same. Not much difference, other than some of them have a regulator and some of them don't. Maybe the difference is in the tip of the spray nozzle, which this one is 1.4, which is, it's not that bad for primer that I'm gonna be sanding. The tool that it needs is this, to unscrew this nozzle here, so you can clean it really good. But yeah, you can use a wrench. But anyway, the gun as a gun, the quality wise, it's cheap, but like I said, for primer you don't need nothing better than this. What I like about this gun is on low pressure the fan is huge. I love that, but on the high pressure the fan is not that great, which is weird. So yeah, right here you can adjust your air. I still like to have a air regulator right here as well, just so I know what I'm working with. Assembly of this is really straight. You just screw it on, and that's about it. Before use though, you have to clean it with thinner or acetone, because it does have oil inside. So yeah, I would suggest you guys to wash it with that. And I got this as well from Harbor Freight. You can buy it for like $5. It's an air regulator, nothing special. It's just a cheap air regulator, which you screw on here. And there you go. You adjust your air. As well, I got this filter that filtrates the water out of the air. It says water, oil, dirt, and all kind of stuff, you know. But yeah, I never actually use one of these, but yeah. So yeah, let's screw it on there, and right there at the end you screw this attachment for your air hose. There it is. It looks like a Frankenstein, but yeah, it works. It's really good for do it yourself stuff, you know. It's not for professional metallic paints and all that, but if you're gonna do some minor painting on something that's not, you know, it's not gonna look perfect, but it's gonna do the job, you know. It's gonna do like I said, I'm gonna use it on a car for primer, which I'm gonna send, which I don't need nothing better than that. So yeah, I would really suggest if you're gonna do something at home, some small projects, you're not gonna go wrong with this one. If you know how to paint, it don't matter what kind of gun you're using. You can be a master painter and still use a shitty gun and still do the great job. It's not always about gun. Sometimes you have to know how to paint as well. So yeah, that's it for this time, guys. This is just a review of a cheap Harbor Freight gun. So yeah, if you got interested in buying this, you can get it at Harbor Freight, probably somewhere online as well. So yeah, anyway, make sure you guys like it and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on my next tool review or some of my other videos. Bye.